Whenever thinking about crashing, RP Jiggy, RP Gav, RP Mo, and RP my sis, Gangster. Yo man, OSO defense tonight, man. Pop out.
Good cut.
Spot up. Notified. Gotta get a cut. My son JTB. Shout out JTB Cuts. Type shit.
See him in the crib with it.
Finish in the crib with it. But he was still on the come up.
Facts.
Niggas wasn't really like, when he dropped that last tape he dropped.
That ass.
That's how I beat him. That's how I'm trying to come up. Doing this shit like getting better every tape. And then that one tape, that's just gonna be like, damn, this nigga tough. Everybody had that breakout tape, bro.
That ass.
Niggas gotta keep working. Keep finding this sound.
I be making bitches dance in the spot when the beat drop. Me and Jake Doc cooking heat rock. Niggas really moving snake, Jack, I need knock. Don't say you love me if it's fake, cause I don't need thoughts.
How do you actually rate it out?
That's a nigga said the port for 19.
Wait. Okay. You got it. You got it.
Oh. What's your name, man?
Jake, man. Welcome to the rap. Swear I'm ballin' like I be ballin' like I'm Hoodie Mellow. Tired of scoring, I'm passing the ball to the bro. I like the assist. Feel like I'm the man. This no shame in game. I'm flyer than these niggas. Peter Pan shit. One more time. Damn. Feel like I'm the man. It's no shame in game. I'm flyer than these niggas. Peter Pan shit. I gotta start dropping consistently, bro. Niggas be playing with me, bro. I sent a nigga my song. He said that shit was whack. I had to write.
What? Say word.
My gas, bro. I sent some nigga my song. I wanted to fucking like a feature. Like it was some nigga with more followers than me. He said my shit was whack. Straight up. I'll let some. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that last line over. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do that. I ain't in no new faces over too. Course out with the guys I'm watching. Tyson and Jalen go who? And I ain't in no new faces unless them shit's blue. Let me hear that. And they pleading the fifth. President pleading the fifth. Going like I'm Hoodie Mellow.
Gorgeous. So some doubles?
Working, we grinding, but I'm trying not to sin. They got me on timing. I'm on hot, I'm thinking about my sis. I reminisce. Look at me wrong, I'm rolling you on the split. I still be ballin' on these niggas, so I do it for jigs. RP Gavin, RP my sis, and RP my nigga Mo. About them want to smoke, but I'm staying out the way, cause I'm staying woke. Right there, right after staying woke, Whenever think about crashing, I just write it smoke. If shit be getting out of hand, I call a bitch and I'm a pope. I don't do shit for the gram, I do it for my folks. Breadwinning bloodline, so I'm the only hope. Was getting buckets, had no bounce like I was Billy Ho. Lucky lefty southpaw, punch niggas like Billy Hope. I'm with your bitch, she shaking hips, she not a Philly goat. Back to back blunts to the face because I really smoke. Yeah, I really get high. All this pain up in me, nigga, I'm just trying to get by. I'm living life getting fried. Forever stepping by my sis, nah, P to the guys. Forever stepping about the mob, for them you niggas could die. And I'm not playing with you niggas, I know. Fuck around, get fucked around, I'm spraying niggas I told. About my heart, I'm like a blunt, cause I really want smoke. I got the sauce, they biting shit, but no, them niggas ain't. One more time. Let me see where I gotta punch in that. I got the sauce, they biting shit, but no, them niggas ain't vote. And I swear to God I didn't vote. Fuck voting, nigga. Gangster. What's up, my son X? Come on.
My chain ain't gone. We gon' come and blow the dirty up. So hurry up. Get you 30 up. Get you curry up. Cheese in my pocket.
That's it, man. We about to go up. I'm off the. Who we off, bro? I'm off the fucking.
We off for everything.
Malibu, I'm off for Casa. I'm off
Taylor
for
Port, Zah,
Taylor Port. I'm off mad
Moza,
shit. It's hot here,
Moza.
nigga. I'm sweating all over. Fuck it. I'm sweating because we about to turn the spot up. That's I got my nigga X with me. I got my nigga Billy with me. What is he talking about?
Know the vibes. Know the vibes.
You see my son dripped out.
Yeah,
Turn this spot up.
Is it for the hood cam? For the hood cam? I met this nigga today, bro.
Today, we locked in, nigga. Velo in his body, you see him rolling the pearls out here.
Yeah.
Like real, like baby shit. Like I watched this nigga grow up, and I grew up with this nigga. Like, what bullshit? What is you talking about? Sixth grade shit. For me, like we here tonight, we got to fuck this spot up, nigga. Gangsters, and we leaving with some bitches. We not leaving with none. Like we leaving with some bitches. Gangsta, I ain't gonna lie. Real ass nigga convention, I ain't gonna lie. There's a bunch of real niggas in the spot. Got my nigga X with me. Got my nigga BH. My son hosting this shit, feel me? My son fresh from what you call it. Where you from? Florida with it, man. Exactly. I moved out to Florida. I had to leave Jersey. I'm not gonna lie. I had to get up. I wasn't doing it for me. Now you see what we doing now. You feel me? We put this together off the strength. Man, what the fuck is you talking about? You know what I'm saying? We had to make something shake. Now we here. My dog, we about to fucking violate the stage. I'm not gonna lie. He's part of the headliner set. You know what I'm saying? So I'm ready, man. That's all I'm gonna say. XVH coming soon. XVH coming very soon. Believe that. I got my son X in the cup.
We out.
Now we fine. Nigga, I can see it in their eyes. When I'm bright, stack up 20 on an off night. It's some off white niggas get to comparing their music to me. That's an off night for the niggas. Listen, know that I'm a star, ain't the one I get bigger. I'ma stay the same forever, know that I'm a real nigga. Yeah, know that I'm a real nigga. I'ma stay the same forever, know that I'm a real nigga. Where my real niggas at, man? Make some noise for a real nigga. Make some noise, man. Word. My niggas get on the fucking stage, man. On the stage, man. I got my family here too, where they at? My family at, make some noise, man. Word.
Talk to him, gang.
Word. Bounce. I'm getting started too, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting started a little bit. Niggas wanna see me flow, cause I got my fatty up. Belly truck, the dreams of the range of the penny truck. Got me cutting up and traffic, got me swerving up. And I'm smoking on the jacket for some wild rush. We don't fucking shrunk. Gucci get a drip in a low car. Roll up a bunny and sky, ain't no low plus. And you shoulda do a back, yeah, I killed toe. Nigga, I'ma step out, I don't do blows. Toast, big dog, don't fuck with the pops. Shit, how we stay like a boss. Got back, keep running it up. This shit ain't no bluff. Can't run no shorty, no cuff. No mama, yeah, I just wanna fall. Yo, my heart been through ups and stuff. Y'all brought me down, now I weather the storm. Yeah, that shit made me a man. This is part of the plan. Go get your bitch, she's on me with no hands. I can see a fan. Look, on the night, game was turning. Shit pop like a fan. Ready up with my couple of friends. We gon' ball, we gon' shine to the end, yeah. They gon' be shining. Yeah, that shit that made me heartless. Yeah, that shit that made me heartless. Look. Heartless, I'm really heartless. We ain't game hard enough the most cause we was starving. Up all night dreaming about how we was gon' be ballin'. Had a couple niggas fuck on me and left me hard. Let me tell you a story.
Just perform, feel me? After all, I was a little nervous, but we coolin', man. We just feel me? I got my niggas with me, got my family. We coolin',
Nah, that's really love. Really love they popped out. Facts, man. All that.
chat. See my thing late night, shows success, studio session was a success. Now we coolin', bro.
He's got break bread now. That's the only
Break
thing-
bread.
That's the only thing left.
What he say? If you can't break bread, he fade. Me and my bro was what? What he said?
He's at the stove. We both have this shit cake.
What? But he said, kid.
So gangster.
Yes, sir. Already know the vibe.
Yeah, I think already know about.